High-tech fans. Today we're diving into the highly anticipated Apple Vision Pro, unveiled on June 5, 2023. This mixed reality headset is making waves with its futuristic design and cutting-edge features. Design and controls. The Vision Pro boasts a sleek modular design, emphasizing flexibility. No need for controllers here. It responds to your hands, eyes, and voice, providing a truly immersive experience. Future highlights. 1. Privacy and security. Apple's commitment to privacy shines with all image and sound processing done directly on the headset, keeping your personal space truly private. 2. EyeSight Technology. Enhancing social interactions, EyeSight allows others to see your eyes in the virtual world, signaling your engagement or awareness of the surrounding. 3. Software visionOS. Built for productivity, entertainment, social connections, and health, visionOS mirrors Apple's ecosystem, promising seamless experience. 4. Entertainment and gaming. Elevating entertainment, Vision Pro promises an immersive cinematic experience with a 13-meter wide adaptable screen. Gaming possibilities are vast even without included controllers. 5. Health and fitness. Incorporating fitness plus capabilities, the headset offers immersive 3D environments for workouts, meditation, and more. Now we will move on to talk about technical specs. Micro OLED display for true 4K resolution. Dual SoC system for real-time responsiveness. Advanced camera and sensor array for precise hand and eye tracking. Optic ID for secure authentication. External battery for extended use. As for early impressions, early users praise the stunning image quality, but not the weight and disappointment in the 2-hour battery life. And for the price, it's up to $3,499. So, is the Apple Vision Pro the game changer we have been waiting for? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech updates. Until next time, stay tuned.